to my channel. I have been very busy recently, so I haven't get time to upload a YouTube video that much. Now I'm back again, and then we're gonna do unboxing video for this Chanel bag. You probably see from the cover, this is Chanel COCO top handle, and it's a recent collection. So I already unboxed it once, and I'm gonna unbox again for you guys. As you can see, I already take out the ribbon and the flowers, so we're gonna see what's inside together. And here is a box. Here's a receipt. Let's see what's inside. Let's take a look at the inside. This is so pretty. In the camera it's a little bit yellowish, but in reality it's more like a cool tone pink. It's like a Sakura pink, just really pretty. I haven't get to use it yet, but the bag is really gorgeous, and I never have a pink bag from Chanel before. I only have like neutral, like beige, black, and some pop color like blue, sky blue from 2020. And this one is the recent collection into this year. It's very early this year that they just come out with it. The hardware is a gold hardware. I believe it's a champagne gold as usual, that I usually confuse it with silver because sometimes it looks silver to me, but it actually is gold. And the size that I have is in small size. So as you know, there are quite a few sizes out there for the Chanel COCO top handle. There are the mini size and small size, and then medium, and then big. I think there's sort of 4 in total. I'm not pretty sure. I will confirm again. And what I have right now is the small size. Easiest to see because sometimes people use a lot of different name for the sizes, because the newest size, which is the smallest one, came out recently and kind of confused with this size. So what I usually do is I will count the diamonds. So if it's a small size, the same size as mine, because total of 6 diamonds, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is my size. If it's smaller than this, then it's a super mini size, which will not fit anything. I saw people carry the super mini size, and it looks really cute, but you cannot put phone or anything inside. So let's do a quick measurement for this bag. Actually, you also can see the measurement on the Google as well when you search for the size for Chanel COCO top handle in small size. But here I'm gonna give you in centimeters. So the base is around 22 to 23 centimeter at the base. The top here is 20 centimeter, and the height of the bag is around 14 centimeter. So the top handle from the back up here is 8 centimeter. Let's take a look at the width of the bag is 9 centimeter. So this comes with a total of 4 feet, which is great, kind of protecting the corner of the bag. So a total of 4 legs, and the top handle, very lovely. The strap is able to detach, so it's a detachable strap, which I love that. So the inside has a total of 2 compartments, like 2 big compartments. Oh, actually 3. So 1 over here, and the first compartment here is the biggest. This compartment is the biggest, and the small one here, and the inside over here is slightly smaller, and 1 zip section inside. Bigger phone you can put in this front compartment. I only have iPhone 11 with me. I'm using not a plus size, I'm using like small size. I'm gonna put it in the front compartment so that you can see that it still have a lot of space left here. So you can put bigger phone definitely. Those iPhone plus size is definitely fit, so you don't have to worry about that. And I'm going to change to the plus size phone in future as well. So I want to make sure that my bag can be able to fit bigger size phone. And this one is definitely fit because we already tried with the bigger size phone. So you can put something small like cards, for example. You want to easily use it from the back over here. Now we're gonna move on to a quickly check on what's fit. I have a small wallet with me, an iPhone, and a few lipsticks. So just want to show you how the space look like when I fit all this stuff inside. So this one is definitely cannot fit the long wallet, so we're not gonna try that. Let me try this phone first, and then followed by the small wallet. I never tried to put anything in. Yeah, this is my first time. And wow, you guys see, still got a lot of space left here. I'm gonna put my lipstick. I have a total of 3 lipsticks with me. Maybe the front part. This one may be at the back. It feels, because the color is light pink, so I'm afraid I'm gonna make it dirty. But it turns out, okay, regarding the space, it turns out that I still have a lot of space left. You can put like a compact powder over here and many more. It gives a little bit of weight because the bag itself is not that light, leather bag anyway. But regarding the space, I'm kind of impressed on how it turns out, that it can fit a lot of things and still can fit a lot more. I still have a lot of space left for this, so I think this size is really worth the money because it's very practical and it's not too big. It's not quite a medium-sized bag. To me, it's still in the category of a small bag. I'm gonna show you the model shot soon. Regarding the size, I have to say that it's not too big and it's not way too small. It's practical for everyday kind of bag, and the smaller size, like the mini size, I think is more like for an evening bag, but this one is more like a day bag that you can bring it out during the daytime. And just to note that the strap is not adjustable, so it's only have one length, but the length is not too long or way too short. I think it's just nice for my height and 160 centimeter height, and it's just nice for my height. And this is all about a quick review and a first impression of this bag. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and see you again in the next video. Bye!